blown my chairs away. Pretty strong. Sky is dark. Very big drops of rain. You can see them on the pond there. Chance of thunderstorms today. Knocking my plants over too, I see. My plants are getting knocked around. This chair. Boy. Stuff over on the deck. Oh, my streamers. You can see my streamers out in the garden. I just put them up. This will be a good test for them, if they stay up or not. A friend told me that if you have streamers, you'll keep all the deer and keep everything out of your garden. Rabbits even won't like those streamers. So we'll see what happens with that. You can see the streamers. They're holding up so far. It's raining pretty good. We needed it. We needed it. I wonder how much we'll get. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.